Hey friends, welcome back to a new episode of the Life of a Makeup Artist. Today I want to talk about some spring picks. Now, these are my picks. I want to do an episode actually an episode is coming with some of my friends, and I'm not doing summer yet because for me spring is kind of like fake fall, fake end of summer, like it's totally different energy, vibe and products, right? So these are some of my favorite spring picks. I've been testing a lot of new products, and I do think that these are fire, so you need to check them out. So the first one is the Exa Beauty Correctors. These have 6 shades, and I know that color correcting has been quite popular recently on social media. It's like, everybody's like, I didn't know I could color correct. Yes, you can. And the reason why I love these is because they are kind of like the wand is shaped like a doe foot, and it's very light in consistency. Now, I've kind of been obsessed with Exa because they're clean and I've been super cognizant about what I've been using. But these actually go on really, really nicely. And if you want to, if you're a makeup artist and you want to add it into your kit, I do think it's a great addition. But the reason why I think this is great for spring is because maybe you want to wear less. Maybe you just want to wear like an amicule skin tint, and you want to just do a little color correction and nothing that's too heavy. I do think that is a really, really good pick. Now, my next pick is the MAC Stack Mascara. I know you can't really like see. Maybe we'll try to zoom up or something, but I have this MAC Stack Mascara on, and I don't know. I don't know exactly what. I don't know who. I think this is some type of witchcraft because I don't know how this mascara is so damn good. I put this thing on and I was just like, what is happening? Now, you guys know at this point you should. I used to work for MAC, and my last mascara that I was obsessed with at MAC was the Extra Dimension mascara, and that gives me so much volume. Like, there's other great ones that came out after, but the Extra Dimension, that brush was it for me. Now, MAC Stack Mascara has been actually going viral everywhere. So if you have not seen that mascara, I will highly, highly recommend that you check it out because it really gives like insane volume. And I just love it. I've been kind of like stuck on it. So I might just need to go get a new one because I feel like it's almost done. And then next one, I am a gloss girl, and I think that this is almost kind of a, what do you call it? A given. But Fenty continues to impress me and make me very happy because I love the Gloss Bomb Heats, the cream ones. And there are a couple new shades. I'll add them in here, and I'll add them in the show notes. But there are so many shades that I absolutely love. Now, the Gloss Bomb Heat, the red one, that one felt more tingly. Now, I say this all the time. I don't care about plumping products. Like, I don't care about public products. I don't need that. But this feels very comfortable on the lips, and the new shades are so beautiful. It sucks. It sucks because I have to sometimes choose what's for me and what's for my kid, or sometimes I just need to buy double. But the new Fenty Gloss Bombs, if you have not tried it, definitely check that out. And then obviously, actually not obviously, I don't know if you guys have checked out this brand, Trini London. Actually, I was introduced to this brand from Katie Jane Hughes. I went to an event. They're a UK brand, and I did not realize that their stuff was so fire. Now I'm like in a rush. Like, I'm thinking in my head, like, what is the exact name of the product? So they have these pots, and the pots actually are like versatile. But I have been like tapping it on my highlight, like my cheek area, and then on my lids, and I'm gonna leave it so you can see. But when I tell you this thing is so beautiful, it is not sticky. And side note, I've been getting into their concealers as well, and I will say that it is a dupe for the Soft Matte from NARS. But we'll talk about skin stuff another day. But these from Trini London are so beautiful. I will highly, highly also recommend those. Now, my last one, maybe it's my last one. Say Beauty, their liquid blushes are insanely beautiful. I do think that for me, I like liquids. And I mean, we all know Rare Beauty. If you don't have the Rare Beauty liquids, I mean, those are a given. You kind of need those, especially for spring, because they have really great colors. But I do love that Say Beauty just released some colors, and they have some others that kind of like when you tap it into the skin, it blends very seamlessly. And it just gives what it's supposed to give. I like that it's lightweight, so it doesn't feel like you're like you have to do too much. Now, I have a ton of more recommendations. I'm going to do like another part to this where we talk more about skincare, because listen, that Alpine Alpine Beauty Willow and Bark Sweet Agave Lip Mask, if you don't have that, okay, we don't have to talk about it. But I'm like super excited about so many things, and I'm going to share more with you guys. We're going to do more of a summer episode. I'm going to bring some friends in, and we're going to just talk about our favorite beauty buys. There is a ton more that I've been trying, a ton more I can share. But for now, we'll keep this list succinct. I want you guys to check those out and come back and tell me what you think about them, because listen, your girl is in her happy beauty place. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys. Bye.